Sayon, gandang tomahawk dunk in transition. Buhat na buhat ang Pelicans. At Jordan Poole, padila-dila pa kahit tambak na sila ng malala. What's up mga idolo? Welcome back sa ating channel. Ngayong araw, pag-uusapan natin ang matinding bakbakan sa pagitan ng New Orleans Pelicans at Oklahoma City Thunder. Grabe! Panibagong statement win na naman ng OKC. Dominance performance all throughout the game. Ang final score, OKC 137, Pelicans 106. Lupit ng Thunder, 7-0 start this season. Undefeated pa rin sila. Pero teka, hindi naman basta-basta ang kalaban nila. May Zion Williamson, Jeremiah Pierce at Trey Murphy ang Pelicans. Kaya tara, himay-himayin natin ang quarter by quarter kung paano na domina ng Thunder ang laban na to. Pagpasok pa lang ng first quarter, alam mong seryoso agad ang OKC. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, unstoppable sa driving lanes. Pasok sa left hand, step back jumper, lahat gumagana. Kasama pa si Jalen Williams at Aaron Wiggins na agad nag-establish ng interior defense. Yung Pelicans naman, hirap na hirap mag-set up ng plays. Kahit si Zion, hindi makahanip ng open lane dahil compact ang depensa ng OKC. Kumbaga, sinakal ng Thunder yung paint area, walang makalusot. At pagdating sa opensa, grabe yung ball movement, parang lahat nakahawak ng bola bago ang tira. That's classic OKC basketball. End of first quarter, Thunder up by 15 points agad, 38 by 23. Shai with 10 early points while Zion leads the Pelican with 6. Pagpasok ng second quarter, akala natin babawi na ang Pelicans. Pero nope, biglang uminit si Jeremiah Pierce mula sa tres. Tatlong sunod-sunod na 3-pointer, pumutok ang bench ng Thunder. Parang automatic yung release niya. Every time may open look, swish! Pelicans tried to respond with Trey Murphy's mid-range jumpers. Pero bawat run nila sinasagot agad ng OKC. Hartenstein, grabe rin ang rim protection. Meron siyang at least 4 blocks sa first half pa lang. By halftime, ang score ay OKC 71, Pelicans 50. Thunder shooting 55% from the field, 45% from 3. Meanwhile, Pelicans, cold night, only 43% field goal and Zion visibly frustrated. Paglabas ng halftime, di nagbago ang story. Shai is still in control. Crossover, drive, Eurostep finish. Grabe yung efficiency niya tonight. Kita mo talaga yung maturity ni Shai. Hindi lang siya scorer. Nagsiset up din siya ng mga teammates, especially si Hartenstein, at nakukuha ng ilang highlights. Pelicans tried small ball lineup, pero hindi umubra. OKC defense rotated perfectly. At yung energy ng mga bata, Isaiah Joe, Jalen Williams, Cason Wallace, parang walang pagod. Mid-third quarter, umabot na sa 30-point lead ang Thunder. Pelicans, timeout. Kitang-kita sa mukha ni Coach Willie Green. What's happening? End of third quarter, OKC 108. New Orleans Pelicans 82. Shai with 27 points, Hartenstein with 8, Wiggins with 10 and 1 assists. At pagdating ng fourth quarter, garbage time na halos, pero hindi pa rin bumitaw ang Thunder bench. Aaron Wiggins and Cason Wallace knocking down threes, parang walang kahirap-hirap. Meanwhile, sa Pelicans, Zion still fighting. May ilang highlight dunks pero late na ang rally. Jeremiah Pierce made a few jumpers pero hindi na nila nabawasan ng lamang. It's one of those night mga idol na kahit anong gawin ng kalaban, parang lahat pumapasok sa Thunder. Thunder ends strong. Final score, 137-106. Quick stat check. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander with 30 points, 7 assists, 5 rebounds. Aaron Wiggins may 15 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist. Jalen Williams may 12 points, efficient ang shooting. Isaiah Joe may 13 points off the bench, 5 threes made. Sa Pelicans naman, Zion Williamson may 20 points, 9 rebounds. Trey Murphy may 19 points. Jeremiah Pierce may 16 points. Thunder shots 57 overall, 42% from deep. Insane numbers, while Pelicans only managed 43%. So far, Thunder proving they're not just a young team. They're a real contender this season. As for the Pelicans, kailangan nilang mag-adjust defensively, especially sa transition plays. At yan mga idolo, ang buod ng laban ng New Orleans Pelicans versus Oklahoma City Thunder. OKC stays undefeated at 7-0. Solid statement win. Kung gusto niyo pa ng ganitong game recaps at Taglish highlights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below kung sino sa tingin nyo ang susunod na mananalo sa streak ng Thunder. Once again, this is your Spotlight and Sport. Maraming salamat mga ka-sports.